Alright, so as I was saying, part 2 for the sealant review video. The crack filler, it's not really flexible. Like I said, it's more like a toothpaste. It's reasonably flexible, not extremely sticky, but it does dry up pretty quickly. Never tried to paint it, so I don't know if it can be painted, but it says here maybe top coat after 24 hours with driveway sealer. Driveway sealer is a thing of the past. I just use the rubberized asphalt stuff now. That's that one. Here's this one, the ultimate roof repair, and this is just rubberized asphalt stuff. I just bought it out of curiosity because I didn't actually know what it was. You see, these products here, they're also used on roofs. So I was actually looking, I have a background in construction, right? So I was actually looking for the stuff, the sealant that's used between the bricks and the steel on the roofs. So on the corner where the roof meets the wall, they seal it. We seal it, and that's what I was looking for, because it's a very durable product, because it's outside in the winter and the snow. But this is just the rubberized asphalt stuff, same as the stuff you buy in a can. So once again, it's obsolete. It's not worth. This is cost almost as much as the can. So I don't know why anyone would ever buy this.